Say hello.
Say hello. Oh, you're recording already. All right.
Say hello. Okay. Say hello.
Hi there.
Hi.
You can't see me, but this is Emma filming. We're at ski school right now. I'm not really sure what we're doing.
To make sure that they're all taken care of.
It's
just to turn it down so you can see it.
Oh, well, I did that thing and I hurt it.
Huh?
I did this accidentally. I can't see it because I don't have my reading glasses on. So. Okay. I turned it on.
Woohoo!
Watch what you say now.
Don't say any naughty words like I almost did.
I said plenty on the first recording, trust me. Because I almost wrecked a couple of times. She was hot.
I was like, I'm about to say a bad word. I always do that.
Are you ready?
Good.
Alrighty. Alright, vlog, welcome back.
You're waiting on me, you're backing up. I'll catch you.
Oh my gosh, I cannot see. This is gonna be bad. Alright, I'm gonna put my new turning methods into use. Let's see how it goes. Yes, nothing crazy. There she goes. Oh my gosh, if you can hear my breathing, I'm just so sorry. Vlog, I took a really bad fall earlier. So I'm struggling a tish. But we're going. There's moose in area. I don't know if you can read the sign, but we'll see if we see a moose. All right, here we go. Woo!
Nice.
go that way? No.
I'm gonna go to the right.
Huh?
That's where the lift is. That's if you just want to do just straight through this loop. That's that. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna catch the loop up, or that lift up, and go to Thunderhead. Thunderhead Express.
Well, I understand. But Dad's already down there.
Well, I understand.
You want to go on that one or you want to go on that one? Yeah, I don't either. He's going up that on that one. We're going to just go on down to Christie. Okay. You want to go with us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
See you later.
see ya.
Bye, Sean.
Do some sort of something. If you
Huh?
can share your phone with me or something like that. You're
Gonna have to deal with the fact that I'm an adult that'll make the.
Oh, geez. This is looking steep. Oh, my gosh. Thanks. Is this where I ate it last time, Sean?
Yep.
Oh, perfect.
So do you want to go with them or you want to follow me?
Well, I mean, I can go down. I made it, but where are you going? Easy?
Huh?
Are you doing easy ones?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll come with you.
I'm
going with Sean.
I won't put you on any blues or blacks.
Okay, that's all I need to hear. All right, let's do it. Oh, yes, I can see again. Golly. I mean, it's just water droplets in there. The what?
There's one spot here that's kind of not fun, but it's just because the powder is thick.
Okay.
But it's in the, like, it's in the tip zone.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Of course it is.
So right here. Okay.
Okay. Yep. All right.
The only thing is these gloves don't fit in those very well.
Oh yeah, the loops are too small.
Yeah. Well, these gloves are really big. They're heavy. It may not have been the best choice because they're hot now.
Oh yeah, better hot than cold,
So
in my opinion.
So BC Skiway is kind of where that snowboarder is up there.
Uh-huh.
Kind of roll back down and come down this, kind of join back down.
Okay.
And so what we'll do, if you want to, we'll do exactly what I did, which we'll go down to Why Not.
Okay.
Which is, it's a little bit like, they're narrower, like how wide these are.
Uh-huh.
They're narrower, kind of like whenever you first get on Boulevard.
Easiest way down, yeah. Okay.
Kind of like that. So just be aware that it's gonna be a little bit snug.
Is it steeper though?
But it's not steep.
Oh, then that's fine.
It's generally just like, it's a nice, smooth grade.
Perfect. As long as it's not like sloping super downhill with a tiny narrow passway.
I think I think you'll like it better because it's not as much powder. You see what I was meaning whenever we turned there?
Yeah, that was a lot of powder. I went to go turn one
You're
time.
like, ooh.
Yeah, and then I hit like a bump. There must have been a bump underneath, but couldn't see nothing because there was snow. I was like, oh.
Yeah. So this, like I was telling Mom and Dad whenever we were at lunch, it's like, this is icy. It doesn't have as much powder on it.
It's kind of nice, not
Which
gonna lie.
will mean, well, you'll be more used to it because it's used to what you're used to skiing in the past.
Not pow
That's why you got hung up right down there. Is because you got hung up on the powder trying to make a turn.
Yeah.
And it just yanked your skis out from you.
Yep. I so badly wish you had the GoPro on. I can't believe I didn't have it on whenever I ate it. That would have been awesome. You would have heard me grunt. I literally went, ooh, so loud.